Hello everybody, metal detecting time again. Bits of my new permission. And I thought it was going to be very slow. Two decent things so far in 20 minutes. It's an old penny and a rather bit of decorative lead. There we go. Hello again folks. And a bit more of my land. Moo tubes at the bottom, too many of them to mention. Anyway, I just got this up. I was convinced it was rubbish down there, but it's not, and I'm happy. I'm going to stay on the top for a little bit, see what else we can dig up. See you later. As the afternoon progresses, slowly, very slowly. A bit of silver, Queen Victoria sixpence. Yeah, a bit blank. It is what it is.